But you need to have something a little bit more gritty of the why you really want to do this. But you need to identify what that is. And so for everybody, it depends on the what that thing is for them or the why it really matters to them. That's really going to fuel you. I don't take on a long-term coaching client unless you have that identified, because it's not going to get you through the hard part. YouTube and doing video, pursuing purposeful work, all this stuff is hard work. Otherwise, if it wasn't, everybody would just do it because it'd be easy enough to achieve. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no, it's cool and it's fine. And I'm all for the money. I'm all for, maybe you do want to be out there and be more popular. Go for the gold. However, it cannot be the primary reason why. It has to be more, because on the days when it's hard, you're going to quit. You're going to quit real easy. Or the day that somebody says something to you, and you don't like the way that they say it, you're ready to fight. You can't fight everybody. So, I mean, some people may try, but it's like you have to be able to propel that forward. So it's not like I'm trying to quantify, is their reason why good enough, but they do have to dig deeper in the why they want to do that.